Hear that? That's them bones. If you don't hear them bones, you ain't doing it right. Gotta make sure you get all that meat off. One cut. All these men talking about that.
Oh yeah, she a country girl. That's a big old thick country girl. Know how to fish.
Bruh. After church, I saw them guys catching all them fingers of fish. I say, shit. Damn work tomorrow.
Hey, how y'all doing?
How you doing?
2 hours later.
Yeah, I ain't catch it on film, but here we go. Time to do a fish fry. Here we go. About to fillet these white perch up. Make me a little dinner. Gotta take them off the finger. It's a lot of filleting I have to do by myself. Who wanna help? Okay, so I got some water, I got my vinegar, I got my fillet knife, water here. When I'm done filleting, just put the fillet in the water. You know, gotta get clean before I, let the sauce real good again. This is Timu good, but I didn't put some fish in. Hurry. So we use it real good. Timu good. Sure did. Big ass. I caught these yesterday, and I had to go back. I had to get them up. I had to. Because I had to go back because when these come, they be here for like a week or two. And then after that, they gone. You don't see them again. So if you don't want to get in this good, these taste good too. Look at that. Stock my freezer up. Y'all spending $10 for a pack of fish. I spent $25 for a yearly fishing license. For a yearly fishing license that I got last year, and it don't expire until the summer, and then I have to get another one so I can get how many fish I want to get, as long as it's legal fish. It's a limit on certain fish. These are unlimited. You gotta get your shape right. You basically getting free fish for the whole year. As long as you know how to catch them, clean them yourself. Or you can take them somewhere to get them cleaned. Your city sometimes has like local butchers, fishing butchers, or whatever you want to call them. But if you in Cleveland, bring them style to Rachel. Bring them the style. She'll get you right for an affordable price, real quick and easy. A nice fillet right there. Make sure you get all that flesh, all that meat. And this is a nice knife too. Only $3 at Walmart. Now you gotta keep sharpening them because they do go bad fast, but $3, so what could you say about a $3 knife? See? This one right here is dull. I got the footage. I haven't looked back at the footage of that catfish that a guy had caught, and he asked me, or I asked him, do you want me to fillet it? And he said, yeah. Alright. Got this big ass catfish. About to fillet now.
Yeah.
I don't want
You
to
need
fall.
some pliers? I got some pliers right there.
I don't need nothing with the knife.
Okay. Yeah. You're killing that motherfucker there, dog. That's what I'm talking about. Cut his punk ass on up. Big carpet to draw the rest of it.
I put it on here, but I used that knife and it was dull. Anyways, looking at a nice fillet right there. Clean it real good and you fry you up some nice piece of perch. White perch, freshly caught. You ain't gotta worry about what they put in this fish. You know what's in the fish because you caught it yourself live. This is not that hard. Simple. I know a lot of people don't like to touch no animal. They don't want to touch no fish, but you're gonna eat it, so what's the difference? You're gonna eat it. Somebody else had to touch it, so you might as well learn it yourself, right? Maybe not. You need to learn it yourself for survival reasons. I know you might not do it all the time, but at least you know how to do it. And you ain't sitting there looking like Boo Boo the fool, starving to death, and worry about what everybody else doing when you could have learned it yourself. It's simple. Watch plenty of videos on YouTube. I can teach you. I might do a tutorial. This is not a tutorial. Filleting fish, quick and easy. Here's my fillet. Find something to put this in. Yeah. You're supposed to wrap these up and really like put them in the freezer until it's garbage day. The garbage day is today, so I'm just gonna have to put them in the freezer. Put this in. We got a lot to go. I wish one of y'all was here to help me. These scales are really hard to get through. Like that, boy. You slide it down the back. Hear that? That's them bones. You don't hear them bones, you ain't doing it right. Gotta make sure you get all that meat off. One cut. Use your knife. Just poke, 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 poke. That's how you do it. You can go deeper, but to me, I don't like to hit their stomach. So I just poke the top and then I come back. Go all the way down to his tail. Some people like to eat the tail. I don't like that. If you like that, I do know how to do it, but usually if I do that, it's usually because it's a small fish and I'm tired and I do not feel like filleting a little small fish. But for the most part, your girl don't like the what they call it, bone in, whatever, I don't know, bone in fish. I don't feel like choking or having to pick through my whole food, my whole thing of fish, my whole piece of fish, looking for some bones. Even though when you fillet, sometimes you do leave a little bone. Sometimes it's just bones in between certain fish. But I do not like the bone in, and when people eat the tail and all that stuff. I mean, I don't care, but I'm just saying I don't like to eat that. I don't like it. That's some country shit. I'm from the city, boo. Yes, I'm from the city. All these men talking about something.
Oh yeah, she's a country girl. That's a big old thick country girl. Know how to fish.
I ain't from the country. I'm from Cleveland, Ohio. Born and raised, baby. I'm a big girl. Doing big girl shit. Look at this big baby right here. Look at her. All folded up. Look at that. All that Perch that you about to spend $10 on. Got it for free. You know what? I ain't get it completely free. I paid for my little fishing license that you have for a whole year for $25 here in my state. Yeah, I went too deep in him. Clean him real good. That's some of that meat right there. Go back and get it. Yep. One. You would have thought you get more meat off, but I ain't got that much. Just be careful not to cut yourself, because you can, and that shit ain't pretty. Need me some puncture-proof gloves. I'll be back. Alright, now I got done with all of them. Now I'm about to bag some of these boys up. I should season some. I don't feel like doing all that. I'm about to put some of these in the freezer. And that's that. Big ass fillet right here. Made that tonight.